Have you ever found yourself with a balance on Airwallex and wondered how to get that money into your bank account? It's a common question, especially if you've been using Airwallex for international payments or transactions. Airwallex is a global financial platform that offers a range of services, including multi-currency accounts, international payments, and more. While it's a great tool for managing your finances, there might come a time when you need to transfer funds back to your traditional bank account. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring money from your Airwallex account to your bank account. We'll cover everything from setting up your bank details to confirming the transfer. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Airwallex account. The first step is to log into your Airwallex account using your credentials. Navigate to Balances. Once logged in, look for the Balances section. This is where you'll find your available funds in different currencies. Select the currency you want to transfer. Choose the currency you want to transfer from your Airwallex account to your bank account. Click Withdraw. You'll see a Withdraw button. Click on it to initiate the transfer process. Enter your bank account details. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes bank name, account number, SWIFT code for international transfers, beneficiary name. Verify your details. Double-check the entered details to ensure accuracy. Incorrect information could lead to delays or failed transfers. Choose the transfer amount. Specify the amount you want to transfer from your Airwallex account to your bank account. Confirm the transfer. Review all the information you've provided and confirm the transfer. Airwallex might require additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure security. Additional tips. Check transfer fees. Be aware of any transfer fees that may apply. Airwallex might charge a fee for transferring funds to your bank account. Processing time. The processing time for transfers can vary depending on factors like the currencies involved and your bank's policies. Security. Always prioritize security when transferring funds. Avoid sharing your login credentials or sensitive information with anyone. Transferring money from Airwallex to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily move your funds to your preferred financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.